farther to the east, so if you're from Norfolk all the way down through Florida, even also places like Jacksonville, we're still talking about the threat for severe thunderstorms and strong straight line winds. That's really kind of been the story here. Notice we're still talking about seeing the winds ahead of the cold front, bringing in the warm air, but behind it, it's going to shift. We're going to talk about the cold air making its way in from Canada, and that's going to transition that rain back over to snow. You can actually see the line of storms again today, progressing, moving that rain into the northeast right around commute time, lasting throughout the day into the overnight hours. And on the back side of it, we're actually going to be talking about flurries. So let's talk about what we're expecting. Heavy rain, even about 2 inches up towards New York City, then some snow, just again a little bit in the overnight hours. Hard to believe, but the temperature drop is going to be even the most painful thing. This has been so nice, and now I feel like we're already used to it. But no, long gone.
Let's talk about the moon instead.
Yes, can we talk about that?
Please, no snow flurries
Right?
for you.
I mean, it was gorgeous out. Did you guys get a chance to see it?
It was too foggy here to see
I
it.
I walked out and all I saw was more buildings. I didn't see
I was
anything.
going to say, I've never been more mad at New York in my
There
life.
it is. Thanks, Andrew. These are the stunning pictures to show you now of this spectacular sight in the skies. This just happened less than an hour ago, a lunar eclipse, turning the moon blood red. Something scientists say is pretty rare. It's all because of the way the Earth blocked light from reaching the moon. Rather than blacking it out, the light was bent in the Earth's atmosphere, then reflected back. And that's the result. This is the first of 4 lunar eclipses expected in the next 2 years. This series of lunar eclipses. I know some people who are trying to get their kids to see all of them,
Yes.
right? You know, this is the first one. They've knocked this off their list. I couldn't see it, though. It was too foggy here, too much cloud covering.
Live picture here, and it's beautiful. It's got that kind of purple hue on one edge there. It's really nice. I wish I could have, walked out and seen it.
All these folks stayed
This
up
is good,
really-
too. This is good.
They all stayed up late in LA and on the West Coast so they could see it, and lots of discussion on social media about how beautiful it was. All right, happening now, searching the sea.